How far are we headed? How far? Close? Okay, just up here. Not far. Okay, so we get the show on the road. So we have our house tour, and for the last,
Then we got
for the
5
last,
minutes only.
okay, it's taking you about 20 minutes to tidy the house. So
No, I'm not good in talking. Sorry.
okay, so I think our house tour might go on more
I will
than 5
just
minutes.
use my
but-
hand
Hey,
gestures.
So where are we now? So in the kitchen, Rona.
Yeah, we're in the
Okay.
kitchen.
Okay, no, so you have party, you have disco. So you have like party or
No, it's still always for church.
for church?
Yeah,
Everyone says it's for church, but it's for church.
We don't have our own here. Oh,
Okay, let's go. Continue. Show me.
dirty kitchen.
Show me. Show me. So what do we have? Show me your cooker with the cat. Whoa!
We're just using wood for cooking because
Because
we don't have enough money to buy some, you know.
but you have electricity, no?
Yeah, just for heater. For the boiling water.
For the hot water.
Yeah,
Okay.
for hot water.
Okay. We
Then,
have, whoa. Then we have a sink, and your father said before that the water comes down off the mountain, so
yeah,
that's good.
it's fresh.
Fresh. Well, and cheap. For free.
Then
Then, okay.
we have our utensils.
Utensils, okay, cool.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
that's all.
I love the way you just tidied everything, you know, taking time. But perfect.
It's in butter.
Where to now? Hey, why the ladder? I see a ladder, no? What's this for? Whoa!
This is where my parents sleeping right.
Hey, your parents sleep up.
Yeah.
Can I have a look?
You go.
Can I go? Whoa, okay, I get permission, so up the ladder we go. Whoa! I think after the red horse I wouldn't do this, but okay. So here we are at the parents' accommodation. Wow. Come on, show.
Yeah, the show. Yeah,
What do we have?
like a
No, so literally what goes on, so there's no bed up here, but your parents sleep here?
yeah, still sleeping there because looks fresh. Then.
But what do they
down
sleep on? No mattress or?
there. Of course, they're using it.
Okay.
Then
At night, the mattress goes down and the pillows.
yeah.
Okay. And over here, storage, shoes. Ladies first. Okay, house tour resumes. Where to
Yeah.
next? Okay. So we've seen your parents' quarters and the kitchen, yeah? Whoa. So, okay. Hold on. Hold on, where are we going?
Stock room.
Stock room. Okay, let's have a look at something. You
I
spent
don't
time
know.
tidying this, yeah?
This is a cabinet of my
Jesus
parents.
Miracle
Say
Crusade
that, so-
International Ministry. What else? Storage and a view?
No, dirty there.
Okay.
Then
Let's
we
move
have
on.
here a family picture.
Hold on, who's 18?
That's mine.
You're
when
18?
when I was 18 on my debut.
When you were 18, now you're...
I'm 19 on August.
So you're still 18?
Yes, but
Okay.
This year I'll be 19. No.
Okay.
This is my family picture. My sister graduated.
Why?
Yes,
Why
yeah.
the dress, the blue, the white?
This one. This is our uniform. It means finest square. And this one a
Hold on, uniform in church.
Yeah,
presume?
in church of course.
Okay.
And this is our first night. Nice.
Your first
Nice.
niece. Okay,
Niece.
niece. Okay.
Okay. My brother, my sister.
Okay, and your brother I met earlier, yeah?
Yeah,
Susan.
you met him already?
Tour continues. And well, you have no security. I mean, there's like just. No. But do you not have a door or?
Yeah, this house no door.
This has no door, but this is part of your house, no? What do you do at night? You close?
Just close this one simply.
You don't have a wooden door or
Yeah,
security?
because we're safe. Don't worry.
Okay. Very trusting. Okay, tour continues. Whoa, tour continues. Okay, what do we have here?
Right.
Okay, this is the room you spent about half hour tidying, so that's cool. In we go. Okay,
This
so
is where I am sleeping.
another bedroom. Okay, you sleep here, and how many people? Sleep
Only
here?
me and my sister, May.
So there's 2 people sleep here,
Yeah.
and your 2 parents above.
Yeah.
But I was told your mum said 8 people live here.
When they are not there, they are on this school.
Okay, but when they come back, they just sleep here, so you can
Putting
get
together.
many people here.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I'm
Wow.
using this one. So
And that's your one. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, someone bought you a teddy. Okay. Very generous.
yes.
Wow. Is that the end of the house tour?
That's enough.
Bro.
Yeah, it's the end.
Hold
I
on.
told you 5 minutes.
We have more.
Verse.
Makipagkis kasa akin ng MGA. What do I say? How do I pronounce that?
What?
MGA.
Makipagtiis ka sa akin
Ka
ng
sa
mga
akin.
kahirapan. Ng mga
It is mga kahirapan na gaya
ng
ng mabuting kawal ni Kristo Jesus. Jesus. Okay. Well, here endeth the house tour.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Salamat.
We're end.
Wow. Okay. Do you approve, doggy? No? Did you approve? Did you approve a house tour? No, don't touch it.
Yeah.